Alam mo ba, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung aking journey dito sa content creation. Okay? So, by the way, before anything else, I'm CRB Jam Ayop and I'm a licensed real estate broker and also a business owner. Nung umpisa talaga, wala akong alam. Hindi ako ready. Wala akong full content plan. Wala akong aesthetic feed. Wala akong banger idea. Pero guess what? Nag-post ako anyway. And that one post turned into 2. Yung 2, naging 5. Hanggang sa naging araw-araw na. Hindi siya perfect, very raw, pero consistent. Wala pa ako alam sa editing, diba? Kraken Challenge taught me that you don't need to be ready. You just need to show up. Kahit walang plano, kahit low views, kahit walang validation. Momentum doesn't come before posting. It comes after. Kaya, kung feeling mo hindi ka ready, baka ikaw pa yung pinaka-ready. So just start. Hey mate, Wave 2 starts August 31. If you want to try this, eto, yung link sa description. Sayang baka ito na yung sagot sa mga tanong mo. See you!